To my channel. This is my first video I'm filming being back from Mexico, so I am a little bit darker than I normally am in my videos. I had pre-filmed a lot of videos before I left, so you probably won't see this one until early March, but I'm filming it beginning of February-ish, so just so you guys know. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to stick to at a minimum one video per week to give you guys some content, and so far it's been so good this year to keep up with it, so I'm liking that schedule. Anyways, today I have another beauty haul for you. 2019 was not a beauty haul-ish year for me. I did a lot of, I tried to save a lot more money. I am still not overspending in 2020 on Sephora products, but I did get quite a bit of gifted cards from Sephora for Christmas, so I figured, now would be a good time to kind of, buy a couple things, because there was a skincare sale on Sephora where you buy one, you get the second 30% off. So I figured, hey, I might as well. On top of that, there's been a few other little things that I've picked up that I will be trying, and I just wanted to show you guys before I crack them open. And that's pretty much all I'm going to say as my intro. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're not. I have been trying to train myself to remind you guys that, because I never used to remind you guys in the past. So first I want to start off with, it is still winter months here in Canada, so it is a bit more colder. I did pick up the Tatcha Luminous Deep Hydrating Lifting Masks with red algae extract. Comes with 4 in a box. These are expensive. Again, I wouldn't normally get these if they were, full price, but because we had that 30% off, buy one, get one 30% off, that's why I picked them up. So, let me just show you. So they come in individual packets like this. They run about $25 per pouch, and there's 4 in here, so it's not a cheap mask. Anyways, I picked them up because they are deep hydrating and they're perfect for winter, so I'm going to definitely try these out and see how they are for the winter months. My skin, since being back from vacation, my skin has been really, really dry, and even my body skin, because I was in the sun and I used a ton of SPF, and then going from, nice summer air to cold, dry air, my body tends to react. So I wanted to increase my hydration, and let me tell you, my face has freaked out since we came back, because the airplane air on my face was just awful. I broke out consistently down here, going there and coming back. Just my skin did not agree with the airplane air. It was awful. It took me, it's still taking me a couple of weeks to kind of get back to my normal, skin before I left, but I'm hoping that, adding back hydration and all that is going to help the situation out. Talking about hydration, I did buy a couple other hydrating products for my face. This one is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Calming and Hydrating Facial Cream. God, I haven't even opened these, so they're still sealed. They are still sealed. Do you believe this? I need to find a pen or something to open this puppy up. Let's see if I can do this, guys. Damn. Really? Really? Oh, here we go. And you have nails. You think that things are so much easier, but they're really not. And it's a struggle. Come on, Glow Recipe. Your packaging is like freaking army proof here. What's going on? Okay, there we go. So I opened it up. Oh, look it comes with, oh no, it doesn't come with anything but the actual container. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, look at how cute this is. This is a Banana Souffle Moisture Cream right here. I'm going to open it up and see what it, I don't think it smells like anything. Oh yeah, it smells like bananas. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, we'll see how this goes on my skin. I hope that it's clean, cruelty-free, and vegan, free of synthetic dyes and fragrances. I just hope that it is calming to my skin and it's hydrating, because I'm having some serious issues right now with hydration. And that's why I picked these up, because my skin is so dehydrated since I got back, and I want to fix that. Is there an ingredient deck here? Yes. Banana water, jojoba oil, turmeric, chia seed extract, marshmallow root extract, aloe vera juice, basil flower. That's interesting. And there is, of course, a little bit of natural fragrance. It's natural fragrance. So vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, drying alcohols, synthetic dyes, and synthetic fragrances. So there's still fragrance in here, but it's a natural fragrance opposed to a synthetic fragrance. So just so you guys know, that way you're not confused. But I haven't tried it yet. We'll see how it goes with my skin. I'm going to crack this open very soon. The next thing I picked up was the Belif Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. This is like a 2.5 ounce mask. And this is like a huge ass jar. Look at that. So nice. Lock and seal in explosive hydration overnight. Intensely moisturizes for a dewy glow. I have loved Belif products in the past. I have used a couple of their travel sizes in the past on their water cream and their Aqua Bomb, and I just really do enjoy their products. So we'll see how this goes for me. Currently, right now, I'm using a Laneige water sleeping mask at night, and I use it during the day because it's a little bit more gel-like. But at night, I use a really heavy cream with a glycolic acid to keep my texture, down. But yeah. So next up, I want to show you is I picked up now. Back in the day when I was first introduced to, high-end skincare, I tried a product from this brand that destroyed my skin. It was so bad. My skin boiled, it bubbled, it pussed. It was bad. And I think it was because I had no knowledge on ingredients in skincare and what they can do if you expose yourself to sunlight. So I did pick up the Murad Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Acne Cleanser. And I picked it up because I now know that, when you're using chemical exfoliants and acne-prone products, you need to make sure you use SPF when you go in the sun. That's just it. I got this on recommendation by Coffee Break with Danny. She swears by this, so I trust her judgment. I have picked up the Mexican Pond's eye makeup remover in Mexico, based on her, recommendation, and I loved them. So this one I trust. It's formulated for adult acne-prone skin, a cleanser that encapsulates salicylic acid, penetrates pores to help control acne without over-drying. It has amino acids and hyaluronic acid to hydrate. It's a 6.75 fluid ounce bottle, so it's a big guy. Look, it's a pretty big container for a face wash, and it's 0.5 salicylic acid. So I've always had good results with salicylic acid in my routine, so I picked it up, and I did get it on a discount because of the sale. But I'm glad that I did get a discount, because that is expensive. It's like $51 regular price, and I don't normally buy face wash higher than $20. So for me to buy this, it's a steep, ball of faith for me to actually, pick it up, because my thing is, you invest in your money where your skincare products soak into the skin opposed to washing down the drain. And this by far goes beyond what I have been preaching this whole time. But, with my skin reacting to a lot of stuff lately after being away and coming back, I'm very desperate to find something that will work, that has good reviews. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. Next up, I did pick up the Pharmacy Sweet Greens kit. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It's a full 3.2 fluid ounce balm that you use to get your makeup off, which is amazing. I've tried this before, and I do really enjoy it. It's got a bit of menthol feel to it. I don't know, but it's very soothing on the skin when you use it to take off your makeup. And then there's the Honey Potion and the Honey Drop. They're both, one's a mask and one's a moisturizer. I didn't even know that. So the Honey Potion is a hydrating mask, and the Honey Drop is a moisturizer. So again, we're sticking to the moisturizing train right here. I'm gonna let you guys know how those are as well. I have tried their makeup balm remover, but I haven't tried their moisturizer before. Their mask I have, which was nice because it's honey based. But anyways, so one more Sephora item I have here. This is the Anastasia Amorezi new Amorezi eyeshadow palette. Oh, there goes the brush. I did do some swatching with this already because, let's be real here, I can't help myself. But this is what it looks like. What really caught my eye on this palette, and I don't tend to buy a lot of palettes anymore like I used to because I have a lot of eyeshadows to begin with. The whole top row is a mixture of glitter and shimmer colors, and the whole, well, I would say the bottom row up until about here is mattes, and then you have two sheeny shades right here. Honestly, I haven't used this on my eyes yet, so I can't tell you if I like it. I'm hoping to try it this week on my eyes, and you know, I'll let you guys know. Keep in mind, I'm filming this first week of February, so you'll probably hear my thoughts on this on my Instagram page when I post a look, because usually I post looks and I'll tell you guys my thoughts and all that, so make sure you're following my Instagram. The link is down below. So I'm going to, you know, try this out and let you guys know how I feel about it. There's a look I want to try to duplicate with this, so we'll see how it goes. But the shades do look promising. The colors look promising. They look like they're right up my alley. So we will see how this goes. I will get back to you on this one. I don't even know. Is this one? Oh yeah, this is a matte. I don't want to say anything yet because you know, all I can tell you is that I swatched them and they are quite buttery. The only one that's very chunky glittery are, I would say, this one here and this one here. This one called Barb is very glittery, but it's not as chunky as I thought it would be. And I would like to test this out with the Anastasia eye primer, so I'm waiting to pick that up and see how this functions with that as well, because I feel like I've been hearing a lot of good things about the Anastasia eye primer. You could use it without setting it as a base, and it really works well to amplify your shimmery and metallic shadows without having to wet your brush. So we'll see how this goes. I will keep you guys posted. The palette does look promising, I will say that. Okay, so I picked up two drugstore items. I wanted to try the EcoTools makeup sponge dupe for Beauty Blender, so I've been hearing good things about it, so I'm going to try that out. Right now I actually had to throw out my Beauty Blenders because they were past like 4 or 5 months after use, so they were kind of falling apart. So I ended up picking up the Real Technique sponges, and I've been using the Real Technique sponges, which I had a bad experience a couple months before. I picked a Real Technique sponge up, and it was really, really hard after trying to, you know, dampen it. But these ones that I picked up now seem to feel their normal selves from when I first started using Real Techniques sponges. So we'll see how they go. So far so good. The Real Technique ones are really good. And then I also picked up the Maybelline False Lash Lift Mascara in waterproof. You know, I want to see what this is about. It's in Very Black, number 202. The brush looks promising as well here. Kind of looks like their imitation to the Better Than Sex mascara wand. So we'll see how well that goes. This could be a cheaper dupe than the L'Oreal one that everybody is raving about. Yep, so that's it. That's all I have for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone. Mwah.